Hey QVC, it's Bree Andrews here, Director of Education at GLAMGLOW. I'm super excited to come to you today and introduce my skin's new beauty bestie. I know that you know the struggle of finding a moisturizer that's right for you. I myself have spent hours researching and asking friends for recommendations, but it's just really not that easy to find the perfect one that's going to give your skin the moisture that it needs. Well, we got you covered. Look no further. We have your solution, and that's why I can't get enough of Superwater-Gel. It's a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that blesses skin with instant hydration. It's literally a multitasking moisturizer. Now, I know that sounds too good to be true, but let me tell you what's inside and everything will start to make sense. We formulated Superwater-Gel with a triple acid blend of hyaluronic, salicylic, and glycolic acids. The moisturizer is going to envelop skin in a cloud of hydration. It's basically my ideal moisturizer in a jar. Now, let me show you the texture and how I apply Superwater-Gel. Okay, so I just went and cleansed my skin like I would morning and night. Then I scooped a dime-size amount and I'm going to apply it to my face and neck like so. I love the liquid gel texture and how weightless it feels. Really, the last thing you want from your moisturizer is for your skin to feel weighed down and heavy, which is why this texture feels so great after application. I can't stop. My skin feels so hydrated and looks so good. I love knowing that Superwater-Gel is working its moisturizing magic right now. So whether you have normal, oily, or combo skin, I know you're going to love this as much as I do. I mean, come on, who doesn't love having a glowing complexion, right? Well, thank you so much for hanging with me, QVC. I'm glad you got a chance to meet my new bestie, Superwater-Gel. And I'm even more excited for you to check this moisturizer out and get hydrated, glowing skin. Until next time, I'll see you soon.